Hi, what's up everyone? Samahan niyo ako sa aming hotel staycation dito sa Arden Hills Suites sa Quezon City. Cozy at napakaganda ng hotel na ito. Very good for families. Halos andito na lahat. Swimming pool, indoor playroom for kids, massage spa, and own restaurants. Exceptional ang reviews hotel na to. Surely magugustuhan niyo din mag-staycation dito. Kaya tara, halina at samahan niyo kami! Let's go! So here we are, on the way to the hotel. Wala pang 30 minutes ang biyahe namin papunta sa hotel. So ito na nga, dumating na kami. Halina at i-complete tour ko kayo sa Arden Hills Suites Hotel. Ito ang kanilang front desk. Napakababait nga na hotel staff dito. Ito naman ang kanilang hotel lobby na bubungad agad sa'yo sa entrance. And ito naman ang isa sa kanilang mga restaurant, ang Patio Restaurant. Located ito sa ground floor. Yung isa pang restaurant na hotel ay nasa upper floor naman. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Tara, akita tayo sa aming nabook na hotel room. And here it is. Tada! Let's have a quick tour. This is the kitchen area. The dining area. Here you can see a desk and a mirror. Perfect for selfies. And here's a smart TV in the middle of the room. There's a sofa near the window. And meron silang 2 double beds. Napakalinis at comfortable dito. Masarap ang magiging tulog ko dito. Tara, check naman natin ang CR. Here's where the faucet and sink are. And meron silang magandang mirror na may pa-features pa. May button for light color and anti-fog. Dito naman yung toilet bowl. Lastly, dito naman ang shower. Tara, maglibot naman tayo sa buong hotel. Sa mezzanine, makikita niyo ang Albano Steakhouse. Ito yung isa pang restaurant na sinasabi ko kanina. Then, punta naman tayo sa 4th floor. Here you can see 3 meeting rooms. The first room, the second room, and the third room. In the same floor, you can find a massage spa as well. Nag-room service din sila if preferred ng guest. Next is the kids' playroom on the same floor. Here it is! Perfect place ito for our toddlers who love to play. Then, here's the hotel gym, also located in 4th floor. Last is the swimming pool area in the same floor. Let me show it to you. Here it is! Meron silang pa-free use of towels and free use of tables and chairs for dining. May isang hotel staff dyan in charge sa pag-assist. And that's all for the tour. And now, it's time to have wonderful bonding moments with my family. By the way, it's my birthday and our wedding anniversary. That's why we booked in this hotel. Dito rin kami mag-special dinner, so we then proceeded here in the Patio Restaurant. Of course, menu check muna, and these are what are in their list. After selecting foods and drinks, umorder na ang asawa ko for us. While waiting, naglibot muna ako dito sa restaurant nila. Nakita ko na actual ang mga desserts nila, which really look so yummy. Maya-maya, may dumating na waiter at may sinerve na free drinks. Pa-birthday daw nila sa akin. Not long after, bumalik sila at nag-serve naman ng free foods. Lahat daw ng mga ito ay both from Patio Restaurant and Albano Steakhouse. Indeed, I was so thankful to them. Meanwhile, dumating na talaga ang mga in-order naming foods and drinks and in-enjoy na namin ang aming special dinner. Ayan, may pa-candlelight pa talaga sila para ma-feel ang celebration. We really had a great time here in Arden Hills Suites. No regrets at dito ako nag-birthday and wedding anniversary celebration. Akala ko dito na nagtatapos sa maganda moments sa hotel na to, pero hindi pa pala. May nag-aabang pa palang isang malaking sorpresa. So ayun, nagulat ako at biglang dumating ang mga waiter and waitress ng restaurant nila. Kinantahan nila ako ng happy birthday song with matching pa banner pa. And they gave me 2 birthday cakes, imagine? I didn't see this coming. Yung free foods and drinks pa lang nila kanina, I was so grateful na. And this time, may pa-cakes pa and singing. I was really overjoyed. They made me feel so special, nakakataba ng puso. Maraming salamat, Arden Hill Sweets. Thank you so much, Lord. After this, we went back to our hotel room to have some massage. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching our vlog. See you in our next video. Goodbye!